Well, my name's Phil Huntley. I was born and brought up in Hanover, and pretty much on the North River. And my family has been in the tree business as long as I can remember. And what we've done today is interesting because what we did, we put a check line from a truck to the tree so that it could not go backwards. Nothing could happen to it. And the actual pulling line was from the tree to a block. And then we went from there.
What we did is we cut this notch out of the tree after it was secured and tied off to a couple of large vehicles. We cut the notch out and then we made a back cut, leaving this uncut portion in the middle, which is the hinge, and it hinged the tree over and safely on the ground.